Hey there, Facebook enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the vibrant world of ongoing and online events on Facebook. If you're looking for exciting virtual experiences and want to stay connected with the latest happenings, you've come to the right place. Get ready for a full guide on how to view ongoing and online events on Facebook. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, let's download the Facebook app. Head over to the Play Store, type Facebook in the search bar, and look for the white F with a white background. Tap on it, then hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your account. Fantastic! Now that you're all set up, let's move on to step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. From the shortcut menu, tap on Events. You're doing great. Inside the Events section, tap on Online. Here, you'll find a plethora of virtual events that are currently happening or scheduled for the near future. It's a treasure trove of exciting experiences to explore. Now it's time to dive into the world of online events. Scroll up and down to view the wide variety of events available. From workshops to concerts, you'll find something to suit your interests. And here's a pro tip. If you want to keep up with similar occasions, simply tap on the star icon to save the event. And there you have it, folks. A full guide on how to view ongoing and online events on Facebook. Now you can discover amazing virtual experiences and stay connected with the latest happenings from the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the world of online events on Facebook.